Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the episode 2 of the recreation series. So if you're not already aware about what recreation series is, it's basically where I recreate different brands that make home decor products and try to recreate those at home under a budget. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating a Michael Aram butterfly ginkgo mirror. This mirror is extremely beautiful and I give the full credit to Michael Aram for making and designing something so beautiful. The actual bronze mirror is somewhat priced at a lakh or more, and I thought that we can recreate this at home, so I gave it a shot and it came out really beautiful and with slight changes. So if you want to know how you can recreate this mirror at your home, then please keep on watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoy it and have fun trying recreating this spectacular piece of art. I won't take much of your time, so let's just get started.
Burning up on you, you said inside that you hurt me with the word goodbye. I'm better on the other side. I'm better on the other side. I'm better on the other side.
To start off, I'm using this wooden hoop and also some twigs. Using a glue gun, I'm going to stick these twigs on the outer circumference of the circle. Glue gun dries up quickly and thus won't take much time. Go with bigger branches first and then the smaller ones on the top. Once done, it's going to look like this. The next step is to use a spray paint of your choice and coat the twigs and the hoop with a color. Once done, use a Fevibond and paste the mirror on the hoop nicely. Before pasting the mirror to the hoop, also make sure you use a jute rope and make a knot on the top so that you can hang it later on the wall. Now keep this aside and get to making of some butterflies. I've used a 12 cm by 12 cm white crepe paper for making these. You can now follow along the video to make your own.
I'm better on the other side. I'm better on the other side.
Lastly, to add some color, I'm using matte paints to enhance the butterflies and make them pop a little. I've made a couple of these, two of which are smaller ones. Try and get this variation since it will make it look a little bit more realistic. Lastly, just use a glue gun and stick these on top of the ticks wherever you want, and we are done.
On the other side.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you people. I hope the recreation was worth it and you're going to give this a try at your home. I think you should definitely give this a try because it looks stunning on your wall and will completely change the look of your room. You can also find these same videos on my Instagram page and much more in form of a reel for your faster viewing experience, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to love it as well. Link to my Instagram page is in the description box below, so please do check that out. Lastly, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down your views below and share this video with your friends, peers, family, everybody that you know of. Subscribe and hit the bell icon just in case you want to get notified every time I put up a new video. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in the next part, and till then take care. Bye bye. See you soon.